Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my channel.
So I have 2 cups of almond flour. I add in, I put it here, just make sure you know, 3/4 cups of sugar. You can start it with just half a cup of sugar, and if it's not sweet enough, then you will add more. And it's not a little bit more than half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and then let me add the sugar. I made this before, and I made it just with the egg whites, and somehow I like it with the whole egg, or the whole eggs. So let me, and I add one grated zested orange in it because it gives you an extra flavor. So now we can add the egg, 2 eggs, and then I just whipped it a little bit, not just the white. I think this better with this, just with the whole eggs. Okay, and then I need teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of almond extract. This gives you an extra almondy flavor. Okay, and let me mix it up, and a pinch of salt. Salt brings out the flavor. So I don't know why, I just tasted it and I liked it better with the whole eggs, not just with the white. But it's up to you. Try both ways and then you will decide how you like it. And I turned the oven on for 325. See, it's a nice dough, but I mix it a little bit more. And if it's too sticky, don't worry about it, because you can add a little more almond flour, but I think I like it like this. And you will need almond slices on top. So let me do with this. Like a heap on. This is softer than the other I made, but I'm practicing which one I like better, or my husband, or my friends. That's how you can do something with recipes, you know. You try it, how they say it first, and then, or how they tell you, and then you will do your own way. I used a medium size of. I will put a little powdered sugar on top. And either you can push it down with your hands or you can push it down with the same thing. Or a spoon, let's see the spoon. Spoon is easier. So you see, I practice or trying a lot of things, because if you don't try it, how you know it works or not. Looks really nice. And you can make it, roll it in your hands, or make it oval, or anything you desire. I have a little leftover, and that's maybe this way the almond will stays on better, because I didn't want to roll it in the almond. Okay, and then you just put a little almond on. You see, it's just I figured out how can do something little bit easier and make you bake or cook with me. Because I like to do everything kind of fast, but right, but fast. Okay, and now I even put powdered sugar. And we will see. I will bake it on 325 this time before I bake it on 340. And then when it's done, you will see. Oh. So baking time is over. I will bake that for 25 minutes on 325. And now I let it cool on the pan.
If you like what I do, please subscribe and like my channel. This helped me a lot. Thank you.